Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Here I am back for this month's my eyes look different. Oh, I'm back with our menu planning for the month of May. I cannot believe it's May already. So I wanted to plan out our month and include maybe some barbecue items, because I am hopeful that this lovely weather will continue and it'll just get warmer. We have a big party during the long weekend. It's gonna be my son's 17th birthday, and he has requested a pig roast. So not sure if that's gonna happen. Most likely it will. Let me know if you would like me to show you how we do the pig roast. It is a thing that we do. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna definitely write a blog post on that, but let me know if you guys want to see the video. So yeah, so for this month I'm planning on taking some of the recipes that I've tried this month in April and incorporating them in May, because they were a big hit, and I will let you know which ones those are. And then I know there are several new ones that I want to try, so I will be putting those, and then just the rest of the favorites. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing as I did last month, because for the month of April, because it helped me out a lot. I just kind of went around the family and asked them to let me know what they want to eat in the month. Give me 5 things or 10 things or whatever. I think I said 5 things. So and then the rest I just filled in. So come along, and if you're brand new to my channel, press the subscribe button and the notification bell. I post menus every month, and I do some other kitchen videos on Fridays. So if this is your thing, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so I am meal planning in my meal planner as usual. I will link it down below so you can see how I made this, or Eye in the Sky. So I went ahead and I pre-filled my May dates in here, so that way I can I don't have to do that right now. So first thing that I always do, so if you watch my meal planning videos, you know, but if you don't watch and this is your first time, first thing that I always do is I go through my family's calendar and check out any special things that are happening that I might not need dinner, or I'm doing a different dinner that's not on the menu. So I know for a fact that on Sunday the 19th we are having a pig roast for my son's birthday. So that's gonna be a totally separate menu. I'm not even going to try and meal plan for that right now. I am 99% sure that I will be going to my mom's for her birthday on this day, because she wants to celebrate her birthday, and my son and her are a day apart in the dates, not the years. So obviously, so anyway, so I know that that's for sure in this weekend. And then I know that on the Monday, which is a holiday for us, I won't need dinner, because I will have leftovers. Sometimes those leftovers might even happen for Tuesday, but I'm not holding my breath for that one. Then over here, I know I won't need dinner because we are at a competition, and I know she's dancing fairly late, so we'll probably eat out. Okay, and she's at the competition all of these, and I know that on Friday I might have to pick up dinner for her anyways. So I will probably eat out here because we have to leave town fairly early. And then, or maybe I'll make homemade pizzas, and that way she can just take it with her and eat it. That's what I'll do. That way I'll have dinner for my son too. And it's not too hard to make homemade pizza. So I think that's it as far as the dates go. I don't have anything else. But looking at this calendar, the 25th, I know for a fact we have nothing. So I might suggest for my husband to do some entertaining. There's few families that we would like to have over, so I'm gonna put that there, and I will work on that menu on a separate occasion. So for the 23rd, which is the date of my son's birthday, I will make breaded chicken because that is his favorite. There. And then I know that there's a couple dinners that my family has told me that they want, so I will try and incorporate those in here. But I always try and do, you know, a couple chicken dishes, fish, and then red meat and pork. So I'm not doing same type of meat every single day. So let me just see what I pulled out my April just so I can see what I have in here. I have Thai chicken wraps. I'm doing them tomorrow on Thursday, and I have them again on Monday. I guess I changed it up, but I didn't change it up properly. Anyways, so here I will do whole chicken, and then I think on this Friday I might do, actually I don't know what no, that's the following. I'll just do sausages because we want to work outside this weekend somewhat between the competitions if we can, and that way I'll just put down sausage to make for dinner, something quick. And there's beef here and chicken here, so I will do fish on Thursday. I was doing fish on Friday, but my daughter, actually she doesn't have dance on Friday because of the competition, so I will just put it right here. So that's that. And then I had pinned a couple new dinner ideas as well. Just want to see what I have here. Ooh, this sounds good. So I will move this to right here. I will do Mediterranean chicken kebabs with garlic yogurt, and I just put it that it's on Pinterest. So I am going to do that there, and then I'm gonna do a stir fry sesame chicken on Wednesday. And then I've tried I think I'm gonna put down Pasu beef here because I made it last month and it was a big hit. And then over here I'm gonna try to make pad thai from the same website, saw that they had it, so I will put that there, and I'm just gonna put it down. It's from Pinterest. And so that there, and then over here I'm gonna do one pin cauliflower chicken, which is another Pinterest recipe. And then over here we'll do, I was going to do pork, but I don't know if I would want to do pork here. Maybe I'll do pork right here. Do barbecue pork chops. And then over here maybe we'll do barbecue steak. Gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna do maybe some curries. I'm gonna do sag chicken, and then I'll do fish here, and pork tenderloin here. There. Then over here I think I'm going to do a soup, and I'm just gonna put down where it's a chicken thigh bean soup, because we might want something lighter, and it's still, the weather's not too hot that I can't do soup. So I got pork, chicken, We need one here. Maybe we'll do some sort of a curry dish. We'll decide what will be red, green when I do my weekly meal plan. Quiet. I'll do chicken Alfredo. That's another popular one. Okay, so I'll do another fish here, and I'll do Thai curry here, and then I'll do butter chicken here. I feel like we kind of rotate, and I'm gonna do pasu chicken, and then we'll do tacos, beef, and so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 5 more. Oh, I know which one. What I'll do. Oh, not there. I'll do it here. Spaghetti. Now the only problem is we have no meat in the freezer, so I'm hoping that some meat will come up on sale so I can buy enough meat for hopefully the whole month. So, but we'll see about that one. I think we'll do burgers here, depending on what we do here. And I think I will do, well, soup was here actually. I might do some sort of a soup here, just find a recipe. We'll do keto chicken thighs with mushroom sauce. Give me the one Sunday recipe.
A Sunday recipe?
Yeah. When we have nothing next, like the 4th and 5th.
4th and 5th? Shavaki.
Alright, so we'll do.
Huh?
Yeah, I put that down.
I have
Shavaki.
that.
Yeah, no, I just put it down.
Oh, for
I
now,
just
that's
wrote it down. Yeah. That's it. That's all I needed.
Well, that's all I get to choose is one day.
Yeah, that's all you get. Thank you so much for watching. This is, well, blah, blah, blah. So this is it, full menu, and like I said, I don't necessarily follow the exact date. Gets shifted around once I do the weekly planning. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please, would love it if you did so. And make sure you press that notification button. So thank you so much. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.